If me no kill no girl, no man no fi kill no girl. You know how much woman do me sitting? I know me live my life and me alright. And they still there. And some of them all a circle me background. And when you look at me and them gone same way. I want to turn my youth.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Youth, unstoppable, run away train.
Say that them a rasta, them a imposter. Down in a Babylon world, me see them get captured. Say that them a rasta, them a imposter. No for them no switch and fish and some lobster.
So before we talk about what Dan Mafia event bout, you know we have to touch little bit about that clip that we were playing at the beginning. As Zion I are the artist name, and Zion I burn out the Rasta imposter them. You know say enough of them there, bout, right? The imposter them, they are impersonate Rasta, them a come round at some fashion dread and I eat up the things them where they're not supposed to eat. Yeah. Not only that, them a do some things when they really align with the Rasta religion. So that's why Zion I burn them out and I say, yo, them are some imposter. Speaking of some imposter, somebody send me that little clip of people I want Rasta, well, want imposter. I enjoy some pork. Check it out.
Anyway, real Rasta never sell out, sell out. Lightning and thunder head we shell out, shell out. Fake Rasta fi go hide when fireman him run out. Thunderball a fling Saddam me get burn out.
Yo, if that are our imposter, then me don't know what imposter is. People, you see how it look? Him never done yet still. And the rest of the video, you can't even watch cause even my stomach never so strong. But check out the next verse, a Zion I clip still. And check out the imposter Rasta.
See that him mad him turban him at the south. Put a hype on internet corruption him cuss out. Rasta and bow out fi vehicle na house. Fire fi bunnies west north and south.
Yeah man, as me say, you can go check out Zion I. Alright, the link to Zion I's Vivo page will be down in the description and you can go over. Give the song a one like, a one comment, make them know in the comment section. Say, yo, Unstoppable sending it over there. Cause the song bad, me rate the song, me rate how the song put together and everything. And just make sure we go check it out. Alright, now let's get into what Dan Mafia talk about. Cause you don't know, say you have someone out there kill off the woman them. Me don't know what going with them brother here. You see it? But Dan Mafia burn them out wicked right now. Dan Mafia say, yo, I want to no feel like say, the what the woman have between her leg belong to uno like uno entitled to it. If a woman want to left uno want to kill her, take off her head and them thing there. Dan Mafia burn them out and me have to agree with him.
Why? After people grow their daughter, crying her belly, how much blood clot sitting by your baby barn. I locked a 1+, last cup. And only for sitting now. Daughter start go to school, book and pencil, and pen. Graduate, grow big. Girl pretty. Girl love you know have and give you little crutches. You don't get enjoyment out of mama leg road. And true mama want to free up himself and live his life with some different people now. You don't say you have to cut off mama throat and shoot mama and sit there. You don't have pussy. You don't rate on yourself. Because how much blood clot wickedness girl do me in her life, you know? And I never kill none of them. If me no kill no girl, no man no fi kill no girl. You know how much woman do me sitting? I know me live my life and me alright. And they still there. And some of them all a circle me background. And when you look at me and them gone same way. I want to tell my youth, everything a killing. As one girl and uno in a problem, uno have to go cut off human throat. Uno have to go shoot him at school gate. A worklessness that is never done with in Jamaica. As a Jamaica go continue. Woman are dead, picnic are dead, all kind of killing, all dog man them a kill. Yo, who is killing them, my brother? Yo, woman them with them pum pum brethren. And go find a different woman. And go suck your mother too. In a 3rd, 4th and 5th gear. I'm gonna take back my chat. I'm no business over and mix. Hey, post so well, I agree about this thing. I want to turn up. I saw a country I go run man that's a kill man over pussy. And that killing come down to. That's why I say me nah kill no girl over front, you know. Chop up girl with machine. Me no play them the stunt. Woman left gone different one me a hunt. Me nah kill no girl over catches. Nah burn them up with cursing oil or matches. Any man you want make them enter your passage. No girl could chop me up over my sausage. Big up on my girl them. My hotties and my fatties. Dan and Kimika and Tamika and my latties. Both round and front and cock up bumper batties. Man, I murder girl, I don't know for what that is. Me no rate no girl with treat girl. Hey, you hear me? Me dey on no lyrics thing. I vex about the thing for real. You know if you top kill a bomb buckler to one them and they pick me them. Pussy wall, I wanna me attack to. Suck on them mother if you don't want to kill me after that, you don't come kill me then.
Yeah, so me apologize to the way of Dan Mafia did occur some explicit, cause you don't know, so me have some people on the channel when I really like them thing they still. But me did have to leave that in the so you can really get the gist of what Dan Mafia really has say and the message come across exactly like how the man wanted it to come across. Seeing Dan Mafia, big up yourself. People talk to me down below in the comment section if you're not sick and tired of them boy we are kill off the woman them John style. Watch you know, that girl here, she a vent too. Cause she said some man a go around and a breed up the woman them for the wrong reasons. Just because a woman have big bumper, big breasts, or certain reasons when it really makes sense, you might go around and a breed up woman. Listen what she say.
If I wonder why crime rates are high and combo at $5,000 when I back road, some of them dirty man. Yeah. Because imagine, you're not financially stable. Woman are financially stable, right? And you have a breed woman, you deliberately have sex with a woman for breed her. I don't understand them man nowadays. Them breed a woman because her body big. Them breed a woman because she's sexy. Them breed a woman because she's shapely. Them breed a woman because them bad mind. Jamaican man specifically. Them not breed woman because them love the woman and them would have married to her and them would have spend the rest of them life with her and them would have love to have a child for them. Them just, the man them just wicked. You're not financially stable, the woman are financially stable, but yeah, we are human beings, we have feelings, we might have some sex. Have sex responsibly, responsible now. Why you go have sex for breed a woman? Why you go try to come in the woman for breed a woman? You know say you don't have no money and the woman no so stable. And then when you don't want to style people girl pity. You know what? Class people girl pity as dirty girl. Woman don't want a girl there. You never know say you don't want her. You need up and down. You never know say you don't want her when you do that, you need about your mouth and there. Because some are big and nasty. And then you have everything. You never know say she a dirty nasty girl them time there. No, you wouldn't know. Because at the time her body did cock up, she did shape with her every man that look on her and your bad mind. So you only breed the people and girl pity because you have bad mind. That's why so much thief there, so much murderer there, and so much whore there. Because of some of dirty man. When the days them go come, a man are gonna start breed, have children or start family with a woman where them really love, where them really want to spend the rest of them life with a woman that them not see themselves without. When? When? Breed a woman carry a child in the world where you're not even, you don't even like the woman. Oh, the sexy feel good, but you don't want a life with her. You don't want married to her. You don't see a life, you don't see a future with her. So why come in at the woman, why breed her? Jamaican man, them are the worst pussy clad. You don't treat woman like on a personal product, like on dirty shoes or some on wear. Woman, if you don't stand up for your 2 foot, them some things reach in a life. The man, them too fucking wicked, man. Them too wicked. When them done them breed woman, them don't want to mind the pitney them. The woman have to take care of them a family court. Them don't want to pay no child maintenance. Them have the worst to say about the same woman when they did lie down upon. My God.
You know, that's why you have so much unwanted pitney and run a road, right? Because you have someone who just go around there and do exactly what the girl here say. Well, I'm not too sure about the big bumper part still. Because if a man really go breed a woman just because she have big bumper, something wrong with him still. But yo, the man them really need to stop them thing there. If you go breed a woman, make sure say, yo, you stand up to your responsibility and take care of your youth. Even if you and the woman no work out, still make sure say you take care of your youth. You see it? That does how me feel. Watch on people, don't talk to me down below. Let me know what is your opinion on what Dan Mafia have to say. Also, what this young lady had to say right here. Remember, go over to Zion I page and go leave a one comment and make him know say Unstoppable say no. See it? Watch out. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once you upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now we unstoppable. Unstoppable.